How to count the number of specific characters repeated in a text string. That is, here you see every row contains the special character, that is the text strings of every row contain comma as a common value in every row. Here my target is to count the number of commas repeated, or to count the number of commas repeated in each text string. So for this, here at Excel University, a wonderful formula is given. This is the formula, and here I have modified this as per my requirement. Actually, here the formula is given to count the number of columns repeated in a specific row, whereas here I have modified the formula as the number of commas repeated in each row. Here you can see as the total text is present in row in column A. So when I paste this formula, here you can see, so the number of commas repeated at in A2 cell is 6, whereas the number of commas repeated in A3 is 9. So like this, you can modify this formula as per your requirement, and you can count any specific type of character or any special characters that is repeated in a particular column of a text string, That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Hi friend, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, comment and share. Thanks for sharing. Bye.